equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are diving into the process of replacing sensors in your vehicle, specifically focusing on the Conga model. To start, gather your tools, a socket set, screwdrivers, a multimeter, and some cleaning supplies. It's essential to have everything ready before you begin. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a flat surface and the engine is cool. Disconnect the battery to avoid any electrical mishaps. Now, locate the sensors you need to replace. For the Conga model, these are typically found near the engine bay or under the vehicle. Using your socket set, carefully remove the screws securing the sensor in place. Keep these screws in a safe spot, as you'll need them later. If you encounter any resistance, a little penetrating oil can help loosen stubborn screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the sensor away from its housing. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. At this point, it's a good idea to clean the area around the sensor with a cloth to remove any dirt or debris. This ensures a proper seal when you install the new sensor. Now, take your new sensor and compare it with the old one to ensure it's the correct part. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. Next, connect the new sensor to the wiring harness. Make sure the connection is secure, as a loose connection can lead to further issues down the line. Once connected, position the sensor back into its housing and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. After the sensor is in place, it's time to reconnect the battery. Start your vehicle and check for any warning lights on the dashboard. If everything looks good, you've successfully replaced the sensor. For those who prefer a hands-off approach, we also provide a professional diagnosis without obligation. This means you can get an expert opinion on your vehicle's condition without any pressure to commit to repairs. Finally, if you need assistance with this process or any other vehicle maintenance, remember we offer a quote before repair. This way, you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of cost. In summary, replacing sensors can seem daunting, but with the right tools and a bit of patience, it's a task you can tackle. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We are here to help you keep your vehicle running smoothly. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.